It's holiday time, and when I think of holiday, I think of festive, I think of shimmer, glitter. I like to add sparkle. Sparkle is my favorite thing. I love luminosity. I apply it to my cheeks, I apply it to my eyes, I apply it to my lips. I always add a red nail. For me, that's very festive, but red nail is also my everyday. And when it comes to tools, they make really great gifts, and I love the special things that companies do during the holidays to make things a little extra special. So we're here with Vera, and what we're doing now is the holiday look. The holiday is all about special and a little bit of shine, a little bit of glitter, and I'm going to be using the new tools for the holidays from Tweezerman. This is the Celestial Fuchsia Mini Tweezer set. You get not only a slanted tweezer, but you also get a pointed one. The pointed one is great for those really stubborn hairs, and the slanted is my go-to for everything. And this is a perfect tool to throw in your bag for touch-ups on the go. Then I'm gonna fill in Vera's brows with a brunette brow pencil. The fuller brow is very in style, and the little fibers help you achieve it. Another amazing set, which is great for gifting, and I'm certainly gonna add this to my kit. The tools you love just dressed up for holiday. This one is the Majestic Turquoise Lash set, the eyelash curler, and the folding lash comb. The color of my favorite place on the earth, the Caribbean seas. These tools are amazing. They're so pretty. I'm using the curler and then adding mascara. And the lash comb is the perfect thing to help separate the lashes. Nothing like a good mascara. And then just to keep in tune with the holiday, play with a little bit of shimmer and a layer of So Pretty Sparkle Wash to really bring out the festive holiday season. Looks great with her earrings, and it's just a subtle way to add a holiday look. And on the lips, I'm gonna add a little bit of golden shimmer, which is great when you have no makeup on, but I think it also does a nice polishing job for holiday. Whatever's left on your fingers, watch this trick on the cheeks. Shine, shimmer, and party. She is ready to go. Look how beautiful she looks. These are great gift items, and it's so nice to be able to give someone something that is portable, great for holiday, great for vacations. They're also the perfect tools to pair with your ultimate holiday look.